Kim and Steve were actually two-time clients of ours, Net Zero Solar. They did an original solar installation back in 2016 and added more solar panels in 2024. They're really good people. They're doing this for the right reasons, and people become more than clients. You make a connection.
Whether you get solar panels or not, if you don't get solar panels, you're still paying the electric company. I think people have it in their minds, well, I'm not getting solar panels, it's expensive, but they still have an electric bill.
Right.
So you're paying yourself back. And to me, the money you spend, it will earn 1% in the bank account, but it earns $400 a month on your roof. I mean, that's the way I looked at it, because we haven't paid an electric bill since 2016. It's half the price of buying a car now. And I do enjoy getting around the electric company. That gives me immense satisfaction.
We actually upgraded the inverters of their original solar system so they could work with an upgrade of that existing system's inverters and added more solar panels in 2024.
At some point, we're gonna get an electric car, and I just wanted to make sure we have enough.
And it's covering all of it.
And that was the goal for not just now, but also future consumption.
Net Zero did everything with the HOA, they did everything with TEP, and I've had zero problems.
That's our goal. As a small local business, it's about transparency, honesty, taking care of customers, because of customers like you are our lifeline.
You guys take care of your people, you do, you keep in touch, and I wish more people could appreciate how easy it is. I mean, we live in the sunniest state. It's powerful to use the sun to create your energy. No regrets, ever.